Hey Vechain holder, in this video I give you some more information about still Vechain coin. My brother skin there will give you a profit, what's the price prediction and what's the opinion. Definitely my friend, especially I just want my friends to you or be safe from the loss. And definitely this is not a financial video. I clearly tell you my brothers, this is not a financial video. I just give you advice my brother. Please you research personally your own research before you take any decision. But definitely the prediction is also going to be very important. So I have 3 year experience my friend and crypto market, therefore I predicate this coin. But you also share your opinion and your my friend expectation to really you expect good from Vechain or not my brother. So let's get started this brand video, but kindly please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification my brother. First of all I want to tell you to Vechain is good for long term investing or good for a short time. So I think my opinion my friends for all of you, please Vechain is very good one for a short time investor definitely, because as you can see my friend this time the chart the change occurring. So you can see here after a fails they will take a jump and after a fails they will fails down. So therefore in last 7 days they give you they are lost, but in last 24 hours they are profit and last 1 hour they again whether fails down. So therefore remember to if you invest for just in only 24 hours, so definitely you can see here last 24 hours there is profit now. So therefore they will give you a profit now. So you need to hold my brother. If you hold in the same time, so definitely just in only in 24 hours they will give you a very good profit now. So why you are waiting, just in only hold it. I hope my brother that will give you a very good profit now. Let's see my brother the prediction come to the point my friend. If you predicate this coin we better understand my brothers to really in upcoming time there is a chance that they will give you a profit or not my brother. So this time as you can see here the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and if I draw the resistance line here, so definitely I think I'm gonna be right now. Definitely my friend after a fails you can see my friend they are completely lost now, but they will recover just in only my friend, and one day they will recover again and go in the moon now. So I am so happy to see this. I expect this my friend for Vechain, because Vechain is one of my favorite and very fastest cryptocurrency. You can see they're completely in the profit, but definitely my friend when they fails down, so definitely for a short time and they cannot very badly fails down. You can see here this is very short dumps. Definitely they hit the resistance line, but this is very short dump, and I hope my friend if they take just only a short jump, so I hope they will recover all the loss now. So congratulations Vechain holder my brothers, to they will starting moving up and now in last 24 hours. I am so happy to see this my friend. Definitely absolutely I am happy, because my brother for after a very long time they will take a jump. So ready, this is celebration time my brother, and I am also holder from last 3 years my brother. I my friend invest in a cryptocurrency, therefore definitely when I invest in Vechain absolutely I will take a very good profits, and I invest for a short time. Definitely some holder invest for a long time, so definitely is going good now, and that will give you a very huge profit my friend, just in only at the end of my friend this year now. Let's see kindly holder what they do, but my prediction is going to be positive now. I hope in upcoming time they will move upward, because after a fail every cryptocurrency will take a jump. So therefore I know I expect this to they will move, go in the moon now. What's your opinion? My opinion is to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. See you next time. Vechain holder, please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.